Good morning. CNBC inflation rates in Zara shirt. I ended up coming in third or whatever.
Dropped the ball once, y'all saw.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another banger video. And today it is, I'm not even sure. My phone is dead. I don't have a charger. I left my charger at work. But today I think is the 12th. It's about 7:49 in the morning. I'm on my way out to work. Currently, right now, looking at the markets, taking a look at what's going on. Got CNBC playing in the background, of course. Got to get them stocks and hear that news about that finance. But anyways, so I'm gonna pause them for like 2 seconds. Hold on. All right, so looking at the market, kind of choppy in the morning already. You can see the big engulfing candlestick right there. That is because it has some news that came out. As y'all can see, the red folder. Red folder came out, and that is due to inflation rates hitting 2.8% in February, less than expected. So the consumer price index or whatever. So that was a nice spike or a nice hit to the market. As you can see, it tried to go, and then it came back on down. Then it came back down during news. So it's real choppy right now. I don't see no setups at all. I see zero setups. So I don't know. Today may or may not be a trading day. I'm not sure, but we just gonna keep an eye on the market. But as of right now, it doesn't seem like nothing is forming. I'm gonna get ready to head out to work. It's probably gonna be like a boring kind of day. Nothing really too much going on. We went running yesterday, so you'll see that in the last video. This is a new video. Yeah, it's probably just gonna be a simple day, simple morning. It might not be too much going on. I might actually end up adding to this video just because there's nothing going on. So, but like I said, I keep y'all updated on the market, what's going on, and I'll see y'all when I see y'all. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the same day, same video. You see me earlier, which was yesterday, but today is a whole new day because I didn't record this morning for a specific reason. So currently I'm getting ready to head out with Kaylin and some friends. We're about to go bowling or whatever. But as you can see to the title of this video, we're going to talk about why I decided to go from my live account to a demo account and the psychology behind it and why that's the decision I made. So, but right now, like I said, and we might talk about that tomorrow morning or later on tonight or whatever. But right now it's not fun. So right now I got on a little fit. I got on some blue Nikes, black pants, a little Zara shirt, blue shirt, black hat, something like, some kind, you know what I'm saying? So right now, Kaylin is currently getting ready. She putting on her outfit, and then we about to get ready to head out. It's currently 7:23 right now, and this is kind of spur of the moment. I just got off work. Here we go, 7:23. I just got off work, so it's kind of spur of the moment, and yeah. We about to get ready to head out with some friends. You actually might have seen them in the last video, Darius and J-Mac, and they got some more people coming with them. So, yeah. And then also I want to give a big shout out to Detroit because today is 313 day back at home, where I'm from, if you're new to the channel. So, shout out to them. But, yeah, I'm about to get ready to head out, and I'll talk to y'all in a minute. All right, everybody, so we about to get ready to head up out of here. Kaylin fit actually looks nice. She look like she back at home. Look, Detroit finest. No fake. So change of plans. So I thought the thing was close or like downtown. It seemed like it's a little ways away.
They gonna have to wait.
Kaylin said they gonna have to wait. It's a superstar in the building. Hello. But yeah, so I'll see y'all when we get to bowling. Should be a good little time.
You gonna drive?
Alright, everybody, so we just made it to the bowling alley. This is my first time. What city we in, you know?
Dallas.
Okay, we in the city, Dallas. But it sounds good. I ain't ate all day. But you know where we going?
He said it was over here. He said it was like a theater.
Oh.
It better be it.
So they look empty though.
No,
Oh, okay. So we about to get ready to walk in. They waiting on us. Type beat. We finally made it. Ugh. How you doing? How you doing?
Here you go. Oh, it's fire. Damn. This is the first time here? Yeah, that's not bad.
I don't know. Recruited me to come here, but I'm glad they did.
Yeah. This is my first time being here too. I don't, what city is this?
Let me stay home. Cause I ain't gonna go.
Oh, it's Dallas. This time we drove far though.
Yeah, no, it's Dallas. Yeah. Y'all make a check?
This is what up though.
Like name wise? Y'all good?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm just making sure. I didn't know if y'all like. Yeah.
Y'all started already? Yeah, look at this little going type. It's hard, but I'm gonna hit that up when I get a chance. All right, everybody. So I'm behind. I'm really sitting this game is not going the way I want it. We're gonna try to come back. Bro is giving me a run for my money. But so far so good. This place a vibe. You ever been before?
No. Even though the person at the bar thought I was a regular.
I think I'll get these next 2 pans. Comment down below. Yeah, everybody go ahead. Smash the like button. K about to go up next. What is that? Bro, why you put that about video? It's so dark in here.
I'm gonna do this one. I had the wrong ball, y'all.
We only got one lane.
Like I gotta do lane courtesy.
That's fair. Hey, my man, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my God, bro. And she cooked. Oh yeah, she tripping.
I can't do 10.
Hey, do this be messing you up? That little step?
No, I can't do 10. I picked a different ball up. I didn't want to wait for my ball to come up.
He be giving me problems all day, bro. So hopefully this go the way I need it to. Cause Darren already in second. I need him to woo! Yeah! Okay. Woo! Yeah, throw right in the gutter, baby. Yeah! Okay. What did he pick up? 3?
It's better than the gutter. It's better than the gutter.
He picked up 3. I need him to mess up, then I can win. Hello, winner.
You ain't get no spurt. You ain't get no spurt. I don't get no spurt. We good.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Choked under pressure. All right, my turn. Woo. All right, everybody. So we just left the bowling alley, or we get ready to leave the bowling alley right now. I end up coming in 3rd or whatever, but she cooked. But yeah, it was a cool little experience, cool vibe. First time bowling out here.
I did good.
Or whatever. She did actually. I was surprised. I'm not gonna lie.
I dropped the ball once. Y'all saw.
Yeah. So we about to hit the Big Ellum and go see what that's like. Go to a place called Select Start, little arcade place or whatever. It's cool in there. So we about to head down there. Okay. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. Today, it is another beautiful day. Today is March 14th, 7:30. It's a Friday. Thank God it's Friday. So last night I went out, hung out with some friends, and then today is Friday. It should be a pretty cool day. Weather should be good overall. Right now, getting ready for work per usual. You guys watching CNBC and also watching the markets. The market actually look pretty good today. Look pretty promising. I feel like I might be able to see some setups today. It's going the right direction. There's no choppiness like it was the other day. But the reason for the title of this video, why I think I'm going to go from my live account to a demo account. So once I started my trader journey, I never ever did really demo accounts. I watched some videos and I kind of just put the money in and like was like, all right, let's figure it out, do it. Which is, I don't think it's a bad idea because it helps you feel, observe those feelings and feel what you need to feel, you know, when it comes down to trading, like your emotions and all that good stuff. So, and it was $100, so I wasn't, and I know to keep my risk management low. So I knew like, okay, it's not gonna kill me if I lose it, but it also gets me prepared for when I really put some real capital in here. So, like I said, yesterday or the day before yesterday, I actually signed up for a demo account and I put $3,000 in there, and I come to the realization like trading with $100 is hard because the gains are so small when you want to keep your risk low, and then you don't want to overextend yourself because of the risk management. You want to keep your account, not overplay your account. When I used the $3,000, I was trading the $3,000. I kid you not, my whole psychology changed within seconds because it was like, oh, okay, this is the potential I can do. And it's like you don't even need much, which is crazy. Like a couple of ticks or a couple of pips, maybe like between, I don't know, like 10 pips, something like that, maybe a little less than 10 pips, you can really have a great day. And it's like with a standard a two standard risk on a $3,000 account, I was making yesterday, this was some demo account, I think yesterday I made like $200. And like the reality is I can't do that with a small account. That's just the reality. So yeah. So honestly and truthfully, I'm going to be honest, I'm going to do the demo account for a while. I think I'm gonna lock in for like another like 90 days. And when y'all see me post content, it will not be my account. I'm going to save up as I go to work and put $3,000 away to at least have me in a good place to start where I can leverage where I need to leverage, and then make my gains. But yeah, like I have to start back over, change my psychology, and do it that way because I have to. Like $100 is not enough. If you're trying to trade with $100, and the thing is, I'm on a regulated broker. I'm not a non-regulated broker. So the difference is, for people who don't know, regulated broker, your money's a little bit more safer. Unregulated broker, your money's a little bit more at risk. That's the reality. But the spreads and the leverage is a lot better depending on non-broker and broker. So, like I said, I plan on going back to Detroit in July for the 4th. I have 5 months. So within this next 5 months, I'm going to focus on just putting money away. And as I'm putting money away to fund my account to $3,000, I am going to just restudy, relearn, rewatch, get my rules back together, get my psychology back together, and make sure like and something I watched on the video the other day that made me feel a lot better. Every day is not going to be a trading day. If you do not see your A+ setup, if you do not see your setup, do not trade. And understanding that if you don't trade that day, that's still a good day because you didn't lose money. You might have not made any money, but you did not lose money. So I think that's also a win. And then another thing is something that a lot of people say that I just kind of grasped as a recent. Do not focus on the money, focus on the education. Once you learn the education, the money will follow. And I know it's so cliche and it took me some time to even understand it myself, but I'm going to focus on the education and then just let the gains come to me. Once you know what you're doing, I feel like it's a lot easier. And I know everybody says it and you kind of blow past it or whatever, but I'm really going to take heed to that. So like today, I'm going to look at the markets. I'm on my demo account. I might look and see if I see my setup. If not, I'm not going to take a trade. But today when I get off work, I'm going to come home, straighten up, clean, maybe go to the gym for a little bit. This weekend, I'm going to start rewatching videos, start planning and getting that up together. And I'm definitely going to stay off my live account. I'm just going to fund it. So July 4th is about 5 months away. By July 4th, you always see me back with an active account. Hopefully, no, not hopefully. I will have my setup and my rules and my strategy and all that good stuff. So, yeah. So that's just my 2 cents on it. And, yeah. I can't do the $100 account. It's not that I can't do it. I don't think I'm in a professional state to do it. Like some people who's been doing this for years can do it. I'm still a newbie. I cannot do it. And I've been trying to do it for 30 days. I lose money, make money, lose money, make money. And it might just be I don't know. But when I say I switched to that $3,000 demo account and I was making gains and I said, oh, 20, 40, 60, 80, 150, 200, 180. I said, oh, this is the possibility. Okay. So I was like, I need to be at least here. If I have a day where I could be like, okay, I made $200 a day, and then by 2 weeks and I take a withdrawal, I made an extra like $500 for the next 2 weeks, plus my paycheck. That's a win. That is a effing win. I make what I make and then I get an extra $500. Who wouldn't be happy with an extra $500 on my gains? I'm like, oh, okay. And then you put that money to use. Something that Swaggy C said, and I watched the video a whole bunch of times. Take out some of that profit because it's not real until you take it out. So don't keep trying to build your account all the time and like, I'm keep building, I'm gonna keep building, you lose, I'm gonna keep building. Take some of that profit out and use it towards stuff. Pay your phone bill, get food, go to the movies, buy a shirt for the gym, buy a nice shirt for when you go out. Not go crazy, or maybe buy a plane ticket or something. You know, so something that's manageable, but take out your profits. I watched a video with Doyle, and he was reviewing some other YouTuber or Instagram trader, and the guy was up $1,400. And he was like, I would have got out at 1,000 or 11. I said the same thing. I was like, I would have got out, and it ended up pulling back on the dude, and I think he ended up going past the stop loss. At 1,400, I would have got out. People be too greedy, so I'm just rambling at this point though. But yeah, steady looking at the markets right now. There might be some setups, but I'm about to get ready to get up out of here. I got like 10 minutes or whatever. But yeah, so switching from my live account to a demo account for a little while just to reset, regroup, recoup. It happens to the best of us, the best traders. I think I'm the best trader because I believe in myself. But as y'all can see right now, it's kind of gloomy out here. It's going to get a little bit better. Dallas does that all the time. It's supposed to be 80 degrees today, so that's nice. But yeah, go home. I'm about to go to work, get busy, probably put a podcast in or something, and just had a good rest of the last day to the weekend. And we locked in, y'all. So like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button. I'll probably close this video out, honestly, and I'll probably see you on the next video once I get my structure together, and we regroup next week when I talk to you guys, and I have a whole list and show you guys what I come up with. So I will see y'all on the next banger video. Have a great day, have a great week, have a great weekend. I love y'all. Peace.